Yellow, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, don't ask why I have lashes on, but I do. So, today is going to be a little more interesting video. Today I'm going to be doing a yoga challenge with my sister. I'm only like 2 years late. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah, don't ask about the noise in the background. Okay. Let's go get the devil. The devil right here. This is Audrey.
It smells like garlic.
You know, just say hot Cheetos. Okay.
I wasn't eating hot Cheetos. I was eating normal Cheetos.
We're going to be doing yoga poses, and the first yoga pose. Actually, Audrey, which one do you want to start with? Let's start off easy. Let's do the A. Okay. We'll put the picture somewhere. Your feet are tiny.
Yeah, I know. No, grab hands first.
What?
Grab hands first. No, let me lean
I
back.
don't know what to do. I think I just broke my leg.
You're the one.
Audrey, straighten your leg.
They are. No, yo, you need to hike more. For no reason. Stop going like this.
Well, I'm trying to do that. We're good. Ow, my butt.
Okay, what do I do?
Like this.
I don't like this side. Can you scoot more back?
Just like that. You put your feet. Okay, you have to get in your position first.
I can just do a candlestick. What do I do?
Put your feet on my knees. No. Audrey, you're supposed to be like that. Audrey, you're going like this. I thought this one was gonna be easy.
My butt's not
Put
coming.
your hands flat on the ground to help you get up. It's gonna be easy like that.
Your arms are too short. Ow! We did that.
I don't know.
Ew.
But it looks cool.
Weird. Wait,
So
what am
am
I
I-
doing?
Okay.
So,
I'm gonna do this. And you're gonna do the same thing.
How? Can I go first? Wait, what do I do? I wanna...
I don't care what side you're on. Get more in the middle if you're gonna do that side.
I can't do it with a straight knee.
Just try it. It doesn't
Wait,
matter if
if
you
I
have a
go
straight
like-
knee.
I can go like...
Okay.
I hold your foot.
I'm supposed to be holding your foot. And you're hold my foot.
Hold my foot.
Okay. We did it. It's fun.
I called the top. How do I do get on the top?
You do push-up position.
Your ankles are not sturdy.
I can't hold you.
Your ankles aren't sturdy.
We did it for a second.
Um,
You choose another one. Let's do this one. You can't even do a handstand.
yeah, I can. See?
I don't trust you. Wait, how does that work? I'm supposed to be like this. I think my arms are too long.
They're
Okay, try again. Go. Put your arms closer. They're supposed to be where my feet are.
What?
How are you supposed to do? Okay.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! This one.
half of that.
I can take up more than that. Ow. No, get out before you squish my bladder. Ow.
So bad. You're supposed to be on this side of the yoga mat. Going like
Oh. What? Oh. I thought it was going the other way. You're gonna shock me. You're gonna hurt me. Is that your foot? Ow. Is that it?
I think.
Oh.
We did it!
You're heavy. Get off. I know, but I don't. Oh, that's the one with the arms. Okay, good. Ew, your feet are dirty.
What the fuck?
A white shirt.
Oh, they're going on your hips. I haven't done this in a long time. Put your feet.
No possible way anybody could do this.
Well, if someone's in the picture, then that's possible. 4 more yoga poses.
You have to extend it. Oh, good. Go. Extend it. I can't. I'm gonna fall off of that. What am I doing? I can't grab it.
Go pick it up.
Hey, I called outside. I can't do a handstand. I'm serious.
Well, how am I supposed to do a handstand?
The chair.
I can't do a handstand.
I did it.
Ready? Wait for me. Go, get back up there.
It's hard. I don't know how you did it.
Ready? We did it.
For a split second. Okay, yeah, no.
We foot high five. We were like. We did this in gymnastics like 2 years ago.
Oh no, you're doing it wrong. You have to go like this.
No, I'm not. No. You see their knees are out. Goes back.
Oh.
Go like.
Dude, you're supposed to be like over here.
I don't want to hit heads. I have a rip in my leggings.
I have like 10 in my other leggings.
Okay,
Like big ones, like this big.
Throw them away.
I did.
Okay, ready? 3, 2. How do you do that?
It's easy. Here, let me get you a little lesson. Put your hands down. Look like a frog. Go like this. No. Go like this.
It hurts my wrist while we're not doing it.
Squat. All the way down.
I'm a dancer, not a gymnast. Let's practice it. You're not supposed to grab onto my hand. Like,
You're grabbing onto my hand.
Oh wait, wrong hand. Don't grab onto my hand like that.
You're too small.
Like that. I'm not small.
I'm this small. And you're
It's
too
supposed to be like
small.
that. Her heart, her hand. Ready? 3, 2. What are you doing?
What? That's what her leg is like. Hey, don't lean my head against yours.
Okay, that's it for today's video, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
turn on the notifications bell.
And if you want to see her in another video, comment on my TikTok.
Go follow my TikTok. Right there. Now.
And also, peace.